Hi guys, so I'm back with another video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of your mobile phone to make some money. And now I'm not talking about life-changing money, so before you think, oh, I'm looking for something rich quick scheme overnight, no. But if in this economy you're able to make some extra cash for yourself, then I think that should put a smile on your face. So now in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you a website where you can leverage on, and this is a website I've done my own research, and definitely I have also signed up for this. So just as I'm sharing with you, I'm also taking part in this. Now the name of this website is Data Force by TransPerfect. Now before you just take up the name and run at it to go and check, stay tuned to the end of this video, as I'm going to be showing you and step by step what you should do and how you can leverage on this. So if you're in Nigerian, you're watching this and you want to get some extra cash, something you can do with your phone, or maybe you're not even in Nigeria, yes, this is also open to several other countries. But if you are in Nigerian, you're my brother, you're my sister, yes, then definitely stick around to the end of this video, as I'm going to be showing you that. Now this site, like I said earlier, is Data Force by TransPerfect, and you can easily get or access it by going to dataforce.ai. you can see it here highlighted well here, and I'm also going to be putting it on the screen so that you can know it very well. So now what does this Data Force by TransPerfect does, or what do they do? As you can see, they collect and label AI for machine learning application in various industries. Now forget all this plenty grammar. I'm going to be breaking it down to you by showing you the kind of jobs you'll be getting, so you can have a full grasp and idea of how this works. So now this is the website. So if you log into the website, it should look like this. So if yours does not look like this, you have probably entered the wrong website. So basically what you want to do is you are going to scroll down to where is written apply for jobs and paid projects with Data Force. So with this, you are going to click on this place and it is going to take you to this part where you are actually, they are going to be encouraging you to join them, and you can see join us and be a part of the AI transformation, helping to build technology and that works for everyone. Now with Data Force TransPerfect, there are two ways by which you can join them and leverage on them. The first one is the data sourcing project, which is this one here, and the second one is the short and long-term position. Now I'm going to be explaining this very briefly. Data sourcing project is more like a freelancing kind of thing. You just want to do a project, get paid and move on. You don't want to make any longer commitment. However, long and short-term position is more like applying for an actual job with them that will last for much more longer period of contract. You to have a contract, but this is just for you to carry out a project for them. You get paid and move on. So now for me, I would most likely go for the data sourcing project, because you just want to go get what you do, the project for them, and of course move on. So I'm going to also be showing you the opportunities that are also open in this short and long-term positions, and while I'm also going to be showing you the opportunities open in this data sourcing project. So now we want to click this data sourcing project and see the project it has for us. So one thing about this is you want to have this website handy, because it usually changes. You check today, you have a project open, tomorrow it may not be open. So now what you want to do is you want to explore the opportunities, and you can choose the location. So if you are my African brother, you go ahead and click African. If you want to explore the opportunities that are around everywhere in the world, you can click or leave it on any or global. However, you can also choose wherever location you are that is much more in relation to where you are located. You can also choose the type, meaning you can actually choose either you want the project to be remote, meaning you want to be able to work on the project anywhere you are without having to report to a specific location, or you want to have it on site, meaning you would have to go to a certain place in order to carry out this project. So you can click anywhere, and for me, I will always go with remote. Employment, Now for the employment type, you also want to go to, do you want a gig or a project? Do you want a contract? Do you want it on a freelance basis, or do you want a full-time employment? However, we can just put show all so that we can explore as much as we want. You can see under location we have these several opportunities for us, so many, but in order to streamline, because there's no need going to search everything, I want something that relates with me, so I'm just basically going to go with Africa. So under Africa, you can see already, you can see Kenya and Nigeria. So if you are located in Kenya or in Nigeria, then definitely you have an edge for this, and this is something you want to dive into. So you can see Tomaline video collection, Kenya and Nigeria. Before you get all this hooked up with the whole grammar, I'm going to break it down to you. What you're going to do is you're going to read through the job description, and basically they are saying the purpose of this project is to collect short videos, so the majority of which is recorded. That means this video should be recorded inside or outside different transportation vehicles. For example, you are in Nigeria, trains, maybe not many people use trains here, but let's say trains, inside keke, inside bus, whether na keke bus or danfo bus, inside boats or taxi, or your car inside boats if you are in the riverine areas. So as much as this is something that on a norm you would make videos for, just for the purpose of likes on Instagram. Now guess what, you are collecting these short videos and you are getting paid for it. I personally will encourage that you create these videos yourself, so that you will not have any means for them to scrutinize it and say, oh, this video was not original. So it's not hard to just enter a keke where you are going out and take a short video. So basically, what are these videos for? They are basically collected for development of technology products, you can see it here, and services, including video recognition and artificial intelligence feature. So it is for the purpose of improving for artificial intelligence feature, things that look realistic. When you see a very realistic AI image, it is because data has been collected in order for those images to be formed to be that realistic. Now basically you want to preview the job because you want to go into details, what you should do, what you will get paid, how you will get paid, and everything. So now you are just going to click on preview job here. Now once you click on preview job, it's going to take you to a much more elaborate page where you are going to see every nitty bitty detail of the job that you're trying to carry out. Now you can see they're looking for people to participate in this Tomaline video collection project. Now one of these things I will advise is, the moment you see it, I suggest it's best to apply immediately, because these projects do not last for long, because it's a project. It will have a time frame, it will have a number of videos they want to collect. So the faster you are, of course, the faster you can leverage on it and join the pool of people applying for the job, in order to, of course, get selected and picked. So now what is this project about? We are just going to read through. I'm not going to be reading everything for you. Go there and do reading. Everything will not come when they fall on your laps on the platter of gold. So you're going to go here and you are going to read thoroughly. So remember, this is for Kenya and Nigeria. So if you're in Kenya and you're in Nigeria, then this is for you. So remember, if you are in other parts of the world, I already showed you how you can go ahead and filter by the opportunities in order to get the ones that are available in your continent or in your location. So now who is eligible? First, you must be over 18 years old, and I believe you most likely are. If you are watching this video, you must be a resident of Kenya or Nigeria, meaning you must be. So you can't pretend to be. Then you must be able to submit short videos which are recorded inside or outside different transportation vehicles according to the instruction, of course. Make sure you read through and follow it, so that when it's time to get paid, you will not be over scrutinized for not following some of the instruction. Now, how much will you be paid? Because that's the most important part of this. You must work and you must get paid for your work. Now, It's a fully remote project, and you can see that you will receive 0.3 USD for each accepted video. Now, it is not so elaborate, which I said in the beginning of this video. It is not a life-changing kind of money that you are going to be making. However, it is worth it if you are just taking record, or you are just taking a short video on your phone. It's worth it if it is something that you're not even putting in all of your brain and mental capacity into. So you get to receive $0.3 per each accepted video, and of course we all know how much dollar is to naira. So imagine how many videos you can make in a day. You are, in fact, if you are living in Lagos, you most likely be entering at least 4 or 5 transportation vehicles in a single day. So this is something you can do, just killing 2 stones with one, or killing one bird with 2 stones. Killing one stone, killing 2 birds with 1 stone rather. So now you can see that you can submit up to 78 videos. Yes, so they are telling you here that if you have a car, you can submit up to 78 video of that car. So if you have more than 1 car, 2 cars, or keke, so even if you enter keke today, you can record up to 78 videos of you in keke, for example. The same thing with shuttle bus, the same thing with car. So you can, so imagine submitting 78 videos and you are being paid 0.3 USD dollar per video. That's quite a reasonable amount of money. Now to the goodie part. How do you get paid? If you're in Kenya, they offer PayPal, gift card, and wire transfer, meaning straight to your bank. Even if you don't have PayPal, you don't have Kiniko, you don't have cheaper cash, straight into your bank you'll be paid. Same thing with Nigeria, gift card and wire transfer straight into your bank account. Remember, it will undergo quality assurance, and you must accept, you must follow through the guidelines. So if they don't accept it, it is most likely that you did not follow the instructions. So always ensure you follow the instruction, and make sure you create the videos yourself. Don't go ahead and steal people's videos. Now, in order to sign up, you want to go in here and fill in your full name, you fill in your last name, you fill in your email address, your country of residence. Remember, it should be Kenya or Nigeria. So you fill in Nigeria or Kenya, you fill in your phone number, you click that you agree to the terms and conditions. Very important. Then of course you click next, and you follow through all the processes in order to get join, or in order to sign up for this particular project. And I've already done my own, to be sincere, but this is not a financial advice. I expect you to go back and do your research. However, it doesn't hurt to try, it doesn't hurt to put in the effort, and of course see the result for that. Now for the second part, which is the long and short-term positions, which I already explained that it is more of a longer contract with Dataforce by Transperfect. Now when you click on it, it's going to take you to several much more contract-like positions, and you can see freelance voice director in English. You can see all the positions here. You can also still filter by your country. You can just go scroll down and filter by your country and all of that. However, this is much more specific to country. So the way we saw Kenya there, we can't see Kenya here. So there you had Kenya, you had Nigeria, but here it's not there. However, if you're in any of these countries, Australia, Canada, China, Colombia, Egypt, South Africa, and the likes, you can filter down and of course view jobs that are related to you and jobs you can do. Okay, now you can see here freelance voice director for the United States, freelance voice director Spanish, Latin America, and all the likes. You can see as many jobs as possible. You can scroll down to have a good look at all of them, or you can filter down to see the one that works best for you. So we're going to be viewing this first job just to see what kind of job is this freelance voice director, what's it all about. So once you open that, you are going to get a very much more detailed job description about it, and you can see the work schedule is approximately 4 hours within a 2-week delivery deadline, meaning this is just more like a side hustle. In as much as it's for a longer period of time, it's still more likely as a side hustle because you can as well do other things while doing this job. And you can see the engagement model is a freelance independent contractor. That's why I said freelance. You can juggle many things with it, and of course you can start as soon as possible, ASAP. So what you want to do is you are going to read through thoroughly. Most people don't like to read, they just want things to fall on their laps, free course. No, you have to go back and read through and do your own research. This is not a financial advice, but it doesn't hurt to try. Ensure to do your own research, and of course if it resonates with you, go ahead and give it a shot. So once you read through with it, you find out that you have the required skills and the requirements and the roles and responsibility aligns with you, then you can go ahead, give it a shot and apply. You can either apply here via this website, or you can apply on LinkedIn or with Indeed. Now basically I have shared with you how to leverage on this Dataforce Transperfect. If you have watched up to this point, I hope you found this video super helpful. Ensure that you do your own research. I keep saying it is not a financial advice. I did my own research to bring it here. Now it's up to you to also do your own research to see if it's something that works for you, and of course give it a shot. Now if you found this video helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up, do well to like this video, do well to comment, leave a comment if you have any question, what you think. Of course you can as well leave in the comment. Mind you, I myself have already gone to apply, so the earlier the better. The may the fastest fingers win. So now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Do well to comment where you're watching from. In my previous video I had a few individuals from Pakistani and the like, so I would like to meet you guys. Do well to comment where you are watching from. I would like to know. And do not forget to subscribe. Make sure to smash the notification bell icon, so when next I drop a new video, you will be notified the very first. So stay tuned and bye. I remain TFI, and I help to show you ways on how you can leverage platform in order to make money online. So stay tuned and bye.